Reviewing strangers' websites. This time I'm going to review a website I found in Design Critiques, the subreddit of Reddit. A gentleman wanted to make a portfolio website, so we're at ChristopherBroome.com. Shows his name nice and bold here, has a pretty interesting image here. This is good, but I would put this above the line to tie into who you are, because the name is the brand and this would be basically your tagline. Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, it's nice, but I don't know why these little arrows are here. These should be probably some sort of visual instead of this, and maybe be up in here. Not really entirely sure where you should put that, but this is pretty funny. Maybe put this over here, bump it over, put your social icons here, and oh wow. Yeah, you need a contact on here. Definitely use a contact form. It's a lot. People really hate hassling going through an email address. They like just popping in there, clicking, and going. And you have all your skills here, which is awesome. This is a really cool design. I would put this stuff on the other side though, and this stuff on this side. I'm not entirely sure that a lot of people, when they come to look at a developer's website, really care too much about all this little stuff. I mean, some people will, and like me, I would be wanting to look for WordPress and possibly some other things in here, but not too much. Languages, I mean, that's just pretty standard there, but some people don't use those. So, but this is amazing with these lines drawn across here. It'd be cool if they were different colors, like, you know, because these are all pink. So perhaps blue and some other colors. Maybe these lines could be lit up that way, but just muted to make it a little more colorful. Click to read more. I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that, because I click it, it's not doing anything. Source code, that's cool, but not sure what the arrows are for. Copyright here, I understand that, but might want to put your name there too, but you don't have to. Most people just put what they're copywriting. It's not a huge deal. The same copyright happens anyway. This work experience should be on the left though. You know, flip-flop, because we want to see work experience before languages. We read left to right, top to down. It sort of looks like this. Yeah, big reading on the top, and as you go down the page, people are just skimming. They don't really care. The further down they go, the less they care. So put this over here, this over here, some social icons. Still seriously don't know what that is though, but it would be nice to know. Maybe an about page with some other information. I'm not entirely sure how you plan to get traffic in here. These are cool. It's neat that you have this here, but I want to see pictures. I don't want to read a ton of text. People hate text. I mean, I go to a website to look at stuff, and yeah, I do read stuff too, but I would rather look at stuff because I got so much to look for. You don't have a lot of time. But something a little more robust than this, maybe a light box with gallery pictures for each. This is still pretty neat, but not robust enough, I don't think. But that's my review. Definitely put a contact form on there though. Also do a privacy policy and disclaimer if you feel like you need a disclaimer. And terms of service, but at least privacy policy and terms of service. You can get a generator to do that if it might not cover you all the time, but it's better than not having anything at all.